life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Tussies. Booked for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby, the going crazy. Weezy produced it, and Weezy have made me. And she held it down, so she got a Mercedes. Your money records, the Army, the Navy. It ran me 10,000, I threw it like Brady. The foreign is yellow like Tracy and Katie. I trust in my they never betray me. Met all these, they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they gave me. Did all the favors, they never repay me. It worked.
Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I, you can go leave. Got M's in the bank, like yes, indeed. Cartier glasses, I won't even Pikachu. Yellow Ferrari, like Pikachu. I got him waiting and watching what he gon' do. Tryna pee what I do, tryna steal my moves. 2,500 for a new pair of tennis shoes. The same price I can make them youngins come and finish you. Though you being charged, he'll do it like a voodoo. Real dope boy, 100,000 in his BEEZY. President's attention, slide by, we don't see you. I been getting money, I ain't worried about what he do. I'm getting money like off from the 80s. Man, Dre about to drop, man, they gon' go crazy. They know I'm the truth, coming straight from the basement. I'm straight as a squeak, man, I'm far from the pavement. A million all hundreds, it make them go crazy. Wham, 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 on them baby. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I, you can come leave. Got M's in the bank, like yes, indeed. Me and my dog going all the way. When you're living like this, they supposed to stay. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I, you can come leave. Got M's in the bank, like yes, indeed. Me and my dog going all the way. When you're living like this, they supposed to stay.
Okay, I pull up, hop out at the after party. You and all your friends say they love that get naughty. Sipping on that hit, I know you love that Bacardi. 1942, I take you back in the road. Okay, I pull up, hop out at the after party. You and all your friends say they love that get naughty. Sipping on that hit, I know you love that Bacardi. Sipping on that hit, I know you love that Bacardi. Sipping on that hit, I know you love that Bacardi. 1942, I take you back in the road. Switching lanes and I'm seeing lights, you know I watch the curve. Weed, you know I'm getting high, you know it calm my nerves. Smoking weed, you know I'm getting high, you know it calm my nerves. Smoking weed, you know I'm getting high, you know it calm my nerves. Trapping hard and non-stop, the bag I had to earn. Try, but you might fail again, you know you never learn. Baby, what a bottle, I was tripping. And I took a couple shots and now I'm dancing. It got me burning up. Inside's burning up. Okay, I pull up, hop out at the after party. You and all your friends say they love that get naughty. Sipping on that hit, I know you love that Bacardi. 1942, I take you back in that road. Okay, I pull up, hop out at the after party. You and all your friends say they love that get naughty. Sipping on that hit, I know you love that Bacardi. 1942, I take you back in that road. Papa Mess, out in the meadow, she like a little red. It was stiletto, until you lay. Out in the ghetto, try to duck the feds. They need a liquor, came in with a bottle, I was tripping. Then I took a couple shots, it got me dizzy. It got me burning up. Inside's burning up. Okay, I pull up, hop out at the after party. You and all your friends say they love that get naughty. Sipping on that hit, I know you love that Bacardi. 1942, I take you back in that road. I pull up, hop out at the after party. You and all your friends say they love that get naughty. Sipping on that hit, I know you love that Bacardi. 1942, I take you back in that road.
Yo, what's going on, chat? How you doing, everyone? Hope you guys are all doing great. Let's get some W's in the chat. Can you guys hear me? What's good? What's good? What's good? What we got on here? Let's pop you out. Pop out chat. Put you guys up here. What's good? What's good? What's good? Hello, hello, hello. Get some more W's in the chat if you guys can hear me. Let's go here. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Welcome back to another one, guys. Thank you guys for coming back. Guys, we've been killing it lately. PM session, Lennon session. If you guys have not been tuning into the live streams, make sure you guys subscribe, turn notifications on. Because if you guys really apply what I've been teaching the last couple of days, the markets have been playing out, that's all I'm gonna say. Let's get after it. Focus. 15 grams protein, let's get it. Yo, what's good, Nav? Good to see you, big dog. Let me see something real quick. Bro, like what? Luca, Euro GBP, I'm saying it's going bullish. What do you say? First, let's turn this down. Turn this down. Just slide it down. Actually, distract me for a second. All right. Euro GBP, I'll check it out in a second. Luca, explain the NAS trade you took earlier. Let's do it, guys. Let's head on over to the NAS. This is the setup I took this morning during PM session. Pretty beautiful setup. Thing that kind of annoyed me was that direction was right, but it wanted to range a little bit before we actually got the move. So let's go to a lower time frame like this. Kind of similar to like anyone who, you know, saw the last trade I took the day before. Both banger trades. So basically coming into, you know, the 10 a.m., which is the PM session open, is I saw this wedge kind of forming. You know what I'm saying? All it kind of did was that even if I like extended this trend line up here, you could see here that we clearly are making some sort of wedge. And then all I kind of waited for was I saw price came right here. You guys see these lows? Price came down, faked out sellers under this low, under this trend line, and then immediately kind of came up here, gave us a nice like little higher low. And then as soon as we kind of broke above here, ended the trade, kind of beautiful little impulse here, but then we got the pullback to liquidate the lows even more to then just continue up. So this happened about 12:50 my time. So like, I mean, that's way later in the day. Usually there's not even movement happening at that time. So I'm not really mad that, you know, just some days price wants to move in other times, you know what I'm saying? But all we can do is do our best. So beautiful little setup this morning on NAS. That's why I caught that one. Caught a setup on GJ last night. We caught these shorts before the move up. I thought we were going to get sells going to the night, but this one was basically just identifying that we were, you know, in a large impulse up. But if we kind of go to the hourly time frame, you can see here on GJ that I kind of saw just all these highs kind of coming. Ooh, wrong one. But basically, if I just circle here, here, and here, it was like kind of like a trend line like this, where I thought that we were going to get a pullback up into here, get this huge rejection, you know, change of character, retracement up, continuation down. So with that in mind, going to a lower time frame, you can see here that after we got the push up, change of character down because we swept these lows, then we had the pullback back up. You can kind of fib this up, even though that high was, you know, it's a big wick. We pulled back to the 50% perfectly, or like even actually like up in here, and then we got the move right here. I took this trend line break kind of down, nice little sell position before the rally back up. But you know, those are the steps in the last, you know, I took the last Last day, guys. I want everyone, anyone in the chat. What have you guys taken last day? What have, like, someone say a pair that you took a trade on? Bangers, nothing but banger setups. Gold. I remember Neff said Euro GBP, bro. I don't really think I don't think I've ever placed a trade on Euro GBP. All right. So to me, when I'm looking at Euro GBP, I can see we had a major move down. It looks like we're in the accumulation now, bro. So you want to be trading when price is moving in a direction like this. You can see here we're clearly stalling, moving up and down. What I pay attention to is that we got a clear manipulation of these lows right here before a big bullish impulse up, kind of a retracement within here. So this hasn't really broken back above, so I wouldn't really necessarily fib that yet. But I would maybe wait for a retracement down here, take out the Asia lows. But yeah, you looking for buys seems good, bro. We have a big imbalance to cut, you know, that probably needs to be filled around here. So that's what I would, you know, pay attention to for that. But other than that, like, I definitely think that this volume pushing up kind of is identifying that buyers are starting to take control of the market. So we should be able to look for buys. You know what I'm saying? My charger's over there. Let's go listen if you guys are caught up. There. Let's go listen if you guys are. You guys are caught up. Perfecto. So that was Euro GBP. Let's look at gold, guys. Sold gold after your TPL last night. Fire. Good shit, bro. So, gold last night, we caught this beautiful setup live on stream. We've been catching just absolute bangers on stream. So make sure if you guys have not been here to, you know, like I said, like, subscribe, turn your notifications on. But all that I kind of looked for last night was that this is the bullish impulse here. Like, this is the direction. We kind of were accumulating here, and all we saw was previous, you know, daily lows. We came down, swept the lows right here. And you can see here, just boom, sweep below W, trend line break. And what I really like about the setup is that, you know, you guys can really identify, because I'd be teaching this type of setup all the time about the Asian session liquidity or previous daily or weekly, you know, candle liquidity. And what I like to explain is that usually when we do get a liquidation of lows and we gain orders to get this buy position, we usually get the distribution up to then take out highs of the next previous session. So, you know, this is just a classic play of just knowing the direction, buys, accumulation, coming down, sweeping lows, gaining the orders here to then distribute price up to, you know, basically this is where they got out of their orders, because you can initially see that this is the last liquidity they needed to then sell price off, because you can see here now that this is all we've kind of done. So kind of coming into current price, I definitely like this extension down. What I would kind of now do is kind of just fib this up. It's pretty far for gold to move in one direction without a pullback. So I definitely would wait for some sort of pullback into discount. You know what I'm saying? I'm not a trader that's just going to look for basically sells this low. Should we be looking for buys? Not necessarily, because this is the direction. It looks like we are correcting, but like, look how many times we've broken structure to the downside. I don't know. I think that we're, you know, we're trading back below the 200. I guess in the 15 we're still above it. Salva, you like waiting for something like this? Trend line. Something like that. Looks like it manipulated the highs and distributing down. Yo, DJ and F, I recommend you to wait for session because we have news coming. Hey, good job, Jahail. Yeah, bro, you never want to be in positions before news. You never know how news events are going to come out. Yes, sometimes it can come out and be on your side. What are you going to do if it comes out as not on your side? Freaking blow your account. Can I trade this in London session? Yeah, of course. That's what we're here for. You look at the low on gold. Yeah, let's go to the hourly. I like it. So Saab was waiting for the push down, guys, to maybe even take out this low to look for further buys. Because Saab was like me, that when we see these built up higher lows and a trend line, we're like, perfect, because we see this trend line down to then wait for it to get broken, stop and go, the trend line like this. It's gold. Gold in the 4 hour. Yeah, but there is that low over there. But that is a pretty decent amount of room to sell off before we're down there. We've already sold off so hard, dude. That's what's annoying. So I'm gonna leave this fib up just to show you guys. And yeah. Bada bing, bada boom. Let me go back over here. In 40 minutes. Yeah, so we do have news. Thank you, Jahil, for pointing it out. Ooh, let's move this over here. Bada bing, bada boom. Let's check out GU, guys. Or what's GJ up to? Check out GJ. All right, so on GBP JPY, guys, let's go to like the 4 hour. On the 4 hour time frame, the first thing I kind of noticed is that we had this big sell off, higher low, sell off, kind of a pull back up. You can see that we clearly took out these highs over here and are getting a distribution back down. I guess if you were to fib this up, we're now coming back into this, kind of order block demand into here. I think I might get a deeper push down. So that's in the 4 hours, the 1 hour. The 1 hour, yeah, you can see here, if I were to kind of define this, the 1 hour demand right in here. We're starting to hold. I just don't really like how we haven't really taken major liquidity anywhere. I guess right here we got some sort of push low during London to take out Asian session low right here. To get this big move up. And now we're coming back down and respecting this demand, honestly. Pretty good sign on GJ. You know what I'm saying? Now we're holding here. Entry could be above this 15-minute. Can't even lie. Salva, you see this? We'll wait and see. 5 minute. So yeah, we could wait for some sort of like break, retest, and then look for a little scalp. We're really gonna hold. See where this low is. Oh, we did take this liquidity right here. Let's go into here. Ooh, let's see if we can get a pullback. We're almost at a 3%. But I'm still a valid 5-minute supply. On GJ up here, yeah, I guess you're right. Could be early. I just like the hourly. We shall see. Also, can you check my DM regarding the VIP play from this morning? Just want to make sure I'm taking the signals correctly. What do you mean taking the signals correctly? If it says buy GJ, you buy GJ. If it says buy gold, you buy gold. Buy is NAS. Just have proper risk management. And, Was that your RR play out? Bro, my eyes have been like, I don't know. Monologues, Wuka, what's good, bro? Guys, I'm sorry I'm tired today. I did a lot of stuff today. So my energy's kind of down, but we're still showing up, putting in work for y'all. Which days? Now trade should have been TP1, TP2, and today's trade ended up down a. Bro, honestly, my whole thing is that, like, I can't spoon feed you. If it, like, a lot of people, like, where's Nunez? Tony Nunez, you made good profit on your account today from that NAS trade. So congratulations to you. You've been killing this week on your NAS account. I don't know if you're still here. But bro, my honest thing is if it's blue, it's on you. If I get you into profit, bro, you gotta learn from your mistakes and how to manage trades. You can't spoon feed 24/7. Thank you, amigo. Yes, sir. I've been loving you sending me your profits and shit, bro. Just cause, you know, we've been talking for a while and it looks like you're doing pretty good now, bro. So keep it up. How's the news looking like? We could check out the news. $11 p.m. CPI. So guys, I have a really good I have a really good video on my channel right here called Turn News Events into Cash, How to Trade News Insane Profits. Literally banger ass video. So if you guys have questions on how to trade news, that video literally is going to explain it all pretty perfectly. Didn't get a 50% retracement, so I'm not really looking for anything yet. But this I'm looking at for on GJ. What's it called? So I was looking at this supply. Where look at actually if you look at this, it looks like I'm expecting it to come into the supply. Drew it perfectly. We'll see. Is it Henny in that cup? Nah, bro. Just got water. And it's just like a protein shake. Has some caffeine in it. I just decided to do it because I was tired before the stream, so I thought it would hype me up a little bit. And it honestly did, but I'm still a little tired. Sava, what'd you send me? Yeah, see, bro, when I see like supplies like that, sometimes I just think they're gonna get fucking blown through. That's just what I've been thinking lately. Especially the volume like that. We would have got a little retracement to 50%. We'd see. High pip SL. We didn't get the retracement, so I did draw on the 15-minute time frame at, you know, above this 15-minute candle could be entry. Why? If you go to the 15-minute time frame, you see that this is what caused this impulse up. We're now getting the retracement down. We had this low to take out before tapping into this big rejection wick. You see it's rejecting off the 200 SMA, as well as it formed like an indecision candle bullish, and now we're breaking bullish highs to potentially continue. So that's when I go to the 5-minute, and all I did is I fibbed up this low to this high and wanted to see a pullback at least to the 50%, and we literally missed it by a pip. But this is exactly how I've caught the last like 4 trades. Is really similar to this. So although we missed this like nice impulse or whatever, it didn't meet the criteria, you know, it didn't hit the level, it didn't hit discount, so I'm not in. I'm not gonna change my rules just because I wanna take a trade. So what we can do now though is actually move this up. No, not that. the fib. Or now that this is actually played here, we could even do this, bro. Can't even lie to you. Fib, fib, fib. Who could need a nap? I'll sleep when I'm rich. You know what I'm saying? So that's something on GJ, guys. I'm actually just kind of patiently waiting right now. Damn. At least we were here. We were here. We were witnessing it. We were prepared. Identifying it is step one. Check out GU, guys. 1 hour. Major sell-off from last night. I don't know if you guys remember I said it last night. We could go back to the stream, but I said sell GJ, sell EU, and sell GU. I ended up selling GJ, hitting a little TP1, almost TP2. Before it kind of came back, but EU and GU sold off. EU and GU sold off from London, especially GU. Y'all could have caught some banger setup. Loki knew it. I should have sold. It just moved up hella high, and then by this time, what was it? Almost 2 a.m. my time. I'd already tried GJ. I was like, nah. But it looked good. I can't lie. Let's go here and actually remove drawings. Yeah. Major. I don't really want to touch that right now, though. No naps allowed for real. EU. EU, you can see here. You can sort of change a character. I wonder if I fib this up. Are we at discount at all? Yeah. Yes, we are. All right, so we are in a continuation currently. We could wait for a minor retracement back up into here. You know what I'm saying? Take another high or lower high to continue down. So I'd kind of see on E right now. Let's check out GA. I haven't taken a GA trade in a little bit, guys. Yo, you can see here we're still on this channel. I remember I'd marked up. I've been calling this this trade for a while because after we came up here and rejected, once price was kind of up in this area, I said that I was expecting price to come back down to this trend line. So it's kind of crazy to see that we're almost back, we're almost there. But it looks like we might even continue back further to come down and actually hit that trend line because we actually haven't hit it yet. So I wonder if we're going to get a pullback in this overall leg right here. And then once we get the pullback, we'll continue down into the trend line. And then from there, maybe get a bounce from, you know, the order blocks over here, whatever it may be. Yeah, feel me? Sleep is for the weak. Yeah, we'll sleep when we're rich. Right now, we're trying to catch pips. Yeah, feel me? Reset chart. Oh, we're getting the pullback. Y'all gotta be letting me know this type of stuff too. You know what I'm saying? When this be happening, if I miss it, how are we supposed to eat? It's like a 20-point stop loss. We have these nice lows to take out to come into this fair value gap. Let's mark up this fair value gap and kind of see. Oh, I guess we kind of did already take it out a little bit. We'll be able to tell. So we still are looking for a buy position. At least I am currently. New GP in 28 minutes. Yeah, you're so right. Thank you for reminding me, guys. Yeah, I'm not taking a trade. So stupid. Shares in the first payout. How much is the earth? I love that meme. Yeah, guys. So I forgot. There's news in like 20 minutes. There's no reason to take a trade. Totally forgot. My bad, gang. Let's chop it up. Y'all got any questions though? Tell me we can't be talking, chopping it up. Whatever y'all want. GBP news. Let's eat. See what we can, determine. Yo, do you know daily bias? Yeah, I have damn, I made some fire videos in the course I created about the daily bias. It helped out Subash here. Subash, you here, brother? Daily bias, the best way I can explain it, market structure and liquidity. Similar to how I trade market structure on the 515, kind of apply to the higher time frames and identify if we're in a discount or a premium, if there's liquidity left over below, if we still need to like pull back more and take liquidity to potentially get an extension up or back down. Like on the 4 hour or daily, like if you go to the daily, like same type of thing where when you see big moves down, identify where prices sit. If we're on the daily time frame, we're kind of sitting at these lows. I personally look at like areas like this as like big risk reward potential, because there's often where you're like in between big input, like maybe somewhere up in here. It's like when you end up at lows or highs, that's where you really see big moves occur. Kind of like session liquidity, how like we caught that gold trade yesterday because of literally just like previous daily lows. So I mean, it's just little things like this. All right, guys, gold. Oh, gold just took out that for, oh my god. I'm telling y'all. Oh, it was GJ actually. I meant GJ. Remember the setup, guys? Taking out the high. Oh, this is kind of lucky, kind of beautiful. I don't know if you guys remember, I deleted the fib because of the news. Are you in GJ? No, I would have told you guys if I got in, I would have pulled out my broker. But this is exactly what I was expecting. When we come back up, take out the high, and then we get the immediate rejection, taking out lows. I don't know if you guys remember me drawing out this fair value gap. That's literally what I wanted to come and fill. Fill this, get the liquidity to distribute back up. This is GJ, yeah. So this is GJ, guys. Like I said, there's just news in 20 minutes, so there was just no really reason to get in. Why? I want to see if someone can answer that. Someone answer. Why is it not good to trade right before news? Besides what I just said about like you don't know what's going to happen, there's also another reason. Spread. You didn't know what to expect. Volatility. High spreads. High spreads is one. There's also another one. It usually just ranges. You know what I'm saying? Like, yes, there's volatility, but once the news comes out, that's why you don't trade right when there is news. But I usually don't get a trade before news, because usually what ends up happening is if you get into a trade here, it ends up just kind of like coming down and stalling until the news comes out. And then when the news comes out, it does get volatile where it'll take out highs, take out lows, and then go maybe the final direction. So there's just no really reason to try and, kind of test it. Range City. But we're going to keep an eye on it, guys. So let's kind of go and identify. If we go over to GPCPI and we look at previous data, you can see here that the last couple of news events when it comes to CPI have all been positive. And if we go over to usual effects, it says actual greater than forecast is good for the currency. So each time this has happened, it's been good for the currency. So that means buys on GJ and GU. If it's negative, that means sells. This one was just 2%, which the forecast was 2%, so that was just equal. the news event for today, it looks like we're expecting it to. Oh, so this is something that's important to look for. So, why says the previous was 2.2? But basically, you see here at CPI, it says the forecast is 2.2%. The last CPI that came out was projected to be 3.1% and came out 3.2, which is better than expected. So you could look for buys. But now you can see here that 2.2% is a lot lower than 3.1%. So although it could still come out at like 2.3% or something, that still is a lot lower by a whole percent than what it was previously at 3.2%, which could be negative 4 GBP, which would cause sells. Just kind of talking out loud to you guys to make you, make sure you guys, hopefully you guys kind of understand that. But we got another 20 minutes. Kind of crazy. I feel like it's been 20 minutes for like 20 minutes. The GJ setup's nice though, guys. I can't hold you. Ooh, good perspective. Never thought about that. Y'all gotta think outside the box. You know what I'm saying? There's a reason why, you gotta do the extra due diligence to really figure stuff out about how news is gonna affect stuff. That's why you show up to the live streams. That boy Reginald said absorbing it, because he just is a sponge, bro. He's here just absorbing everything he can about the charts, bro. We're making that guy into a beast, I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Yo. Alright, we're caught up. Impulse lag. Manipulation. The pullback. Hold. W. Continue. This was low-key a banger setup. Can't even lie. How's the gym going? The gym's going amazing, bro. I've been really enjoying it. I have a gym session tomorrow. I'm looking to record it and such, so it should be really fun. Wait on it, guys. I got a question for you, everyone in the chat. We missed this setup just because of news. But my question to a lot of you guys, what kind of content do you guys want to see? Do you guys like seeing more like day in the life? Do you guys want more like strategy videos, live trading videos, challenges? Let's talk about it. Do you guys remember the let's talk about it? Do you guys like those? Did y'all like that? Cars? Yeah, me and Cowboy, I think this weekend are gonna do a cool little thing with our cars, little vlog, which will be fun. Yes, strategy and live trade and challenges. All right, yeah, so it'll be a good mix because I love doing the lifestyle stuff and show my life and stuff, but I also, it's just that when I put the strategy videos and such out, they don't do as well number wise. You guys don't like to watch them, which is so funny. It's just free sauce, but I'll do a mixture of both. The setup was G. Y'all see it play out right in front of your face. Do you guys understand it? Fib, pullback, taking out low into the golden zone. Golden zone 62% right here. Golden zone. And then it even formed, like this is like, there was the first entry. It formed a double bottom W. Whenever I see a W be formed, it's take the trade, aim for drawn liquidity up in this area at the 0%. I mean, bro, it happens. Happens pretty often, sirs. Y'all look for this setup over and over again, and you guys will be rich. Strategies and live education content. Yes, sir. News in 17 minutes. Yeah, I'm trying to wait. I mean, we just missed out on a pretty banger setup on GJ, but better safe than sorry. Yeah, feel me? I want to see Luca live in New York with like Dollar. I could. Is Dollar live tomorrow? If you guys want me to hop on with him tomorrow, I will. What time frame is your entry? This is at the 1 minute. I've been just absolutely wrecking the 1 minute lately, guys. The market structure on it is so nice. I can catch 1 to 2s, 1 to 3s before, bro. Like it's just freaking simple. I mean, look at this trade. Y'all see it play out. It's not like I marked it up after it already played out. Like I explained it kind of as it was, you know, occurring. The only reason I really wasn't looking to execute right when we were talking about it was someone reminded me, oh, GBP news coming out. And it's not just any GBP news, it's GBP CPI. You know what I'm saying? So better safe than sorry. More money in my pocket, I just sit with it. Define setups. But my setups are so freaking that it's rinse and repeat. Like I literally do the same thing on repeat over and over again in front of your guys' eyes, and y'all still wonder how I do it. Bro, take out a notebook, take out a pen and some paper, take some notes, ask some questions. I'm here to help you guys. How to minimize FOMO in big moves, bro. I think always realizing that what comes up must come down, and that there's always another trade. I don't really have FOMO in setups anymore. Like when I see this play out right now, yes, I'm a little, you know, yes, in my head, I'm like, damn, I just missed out on a good, we'd already be out of 1 to 2. You know what I'm saying? I'd have a 10 pip stop loss. It'd be like right here. And we're at a 1 to 2 right here. We're almost there. So I could have FOMO saying, oh my God, to the T, I explained it. But then I think in my head about all the times I've traded and broken my rules and actually went and took a trade before news and it didn't play out and there wasn't any volume and it just kind of went straight to my stop loss. So yes, I just missed out on a banger trade, but just always know that my thing is this, guys. You guys know EMMITT.TRADES? Emmett always reminds me of this. He goes, bro, take that trade 50-50. And think about it, bro. It really is 50-50. Yes, it's not 50-50 if you're going for good risk to reward, but technically, when you get into a trade, you have a 50-50 chance if it's going to go up 10 pips or down 10 pips. So don't be afraid, bro. Freaking pull that trigger. Or don't. I guess the whole thing was don't pull the trigger. But shoot. And don't be afraid to if it matches up with your setups. But don't shoot just because you want to. That's how I'd put it. Is that don't shoot if it doesn't match up with your setup and you just want to take a trade just cause. And do shoot if it matches up with your stuff. Don't be afraid to take the risk. Everything's a risk. That's what I'm saying. Everything's a risk. So many risks in life. Everywhere. Not worth this if we do this every day. Yeah. Salva's been killing it too lately, guys. It's fucking crazy. He dialed in. Backtested the whole weekend. Said, bro, I found the sauce. Little bit bigger stop loss. Waiting for the break and retest. Trying to, bro, killing it. Same thing with Nick. I don't know if Nick's here. Nick's been really cool. He's been really patient with his setups, but he put like a good sell limit last night, and it just play out to the T. Took his sell limit, boop, 1 to 3 instantly. My man, it's been forever to saw on YouTube. You live wanted to get in here, say what's up. I hope it's all been Yes, sir. W's in the chat for the boy Shafath, bro. Hope you've been doing well. See you killing it as always. Love to see it, brother. Thank you for coming by. I'm super tired right now, so I sound freaking down, but I appreciate you a lot for coming through, brother. Hope all has been well with you. Hope everything. Does Saba have a YouTube? He should, bro. Saba should. He should do a Spanish channel and shit. Who here speaks Spanish? OnlyFans. Yeah. How to hit the extension, guys, in the fib. Alright, guys, news coming out soon. This played out to the T. This was beautiful. Right up to the negative 27%. Coming up. We have a Spanish section of the Discord, but there's honestly less Spanish speakers than I thought, so it hasn't been as needed. But as we grow, we'll probably need it and stuff. Everyone in here, ask away on an inverse for value. Yeah, sir. Learn it from the go himself here. Don't forget to like and sub for Luca. Yes, sir. Make sure y'all hit that freaking sub button, guys. We're live here every single week, freaking killing it. And yeah, if you guys have questions about fair value gaps, inverse fair value gaps, freaking premium discount, liquidity, supply and demand, high probability versus low probability supply and demand zones, bro, I'm here for it all. Appreciate you, Safath. Guys, he's a killer. Payouts, funded by multiple firms. Shafath knows his shit. It got interviewed by Fortune's Funding. Legit. 50 likes? Yeah, guys, if we can. How many people are here? How many people do we have on the stream right now? It says we have 50 people here. 53. Shout out to the 53 people here. We've been doing good, guys. This last week, we've been ranging anywhere from like 50, 60 to then the other night we were at 100. So I appreciate all the love. We've, you know, as I've been more consistent in doing it, a lot of you guys have been showing up. So let's keep killing it. And because I feel like I just haven't lost a trade in a while, which just felt really good. Guys, on the mentorship, this might sound freaking like I'm lying, but I'm like 4 for 4 on setups during PM session on it. Pretty G. I just noticed an inverse fair gap where you draw the fib on the lower. Where like here, this is just a fair value gap, not inverse fair value gap. But yeah, this is what I was aiming for. I literally explained this when price was up here. When price broke this high, I literally drew up this low and said fair value gap sitting below this lows. Hopefully we'll get one final pullback. And bro, we got the beautiful W too. It used to be way more people. Yeah, bro. And you know what happened? I was inconsistent and there's no one else's fault. I just stopped to do when I moved down here with Mamba and Cowboy, bro, we were just going out and having so much fun in LA. I stopped live streaming, so if you're not consistent, then people aren't gonna stay around. So it was just my fault, but now we're consistent again. You know, and I'm not someone that's gonna beat around the bush, bro. That's how it was. But now I've been consistent the last like month and killing it, live trading again, and shit's coming back. That would be dope, hoodie. My setups are G. Yes, sir. Facts. Guys, merch coming soon. Who here? Please put a 1 in the chat if you guys actually would support me. Because everyone says they would. But now I'm actually about to do it. And I know I'm about to put it out. And you guys will be like, oh, by the way. You know what I'm saying? You here in the chat, put a 1 in the chat if you guys actually would get like a hoodie or like a sweatsuit. Or something. I see 3, 4. Pull with the NLT snapbacks, crazy. You guys want hats too, so that's what I'm saying is I'm down for anything. No limit. That's what I'm saying. I legit have 50 hoodies. Make one, I dare you. I said make one, I dare you. No limit / no torta gang. I'm dead. I thought we were torta gang. What happened? Chucker hats. If you guys, dude, what you guys want, I'll deliver. I know you guys do. We've been talking about the robes for a while. NLT hat. Yeah, guys, I'm down. I'm totally down for sure. Make a beanie, bro. Dude, say less. I could do it all. You guys say, I'll say less. But guys, make sure we hit that like button, guys. There's 67 to 70 of you guys here. So if you guys hit that like button, you know, just try to get like 50 likes. I appreciate everyone for coming through. We have 7 minutes until GBP news. That's kind of what we're waiting for right now, is GBP news CPI to come out. We have 5 minutes and 52 seconds until we get it. NFT gym gear, bro. Lewis, where you been, bro? You missed a banger setup on GJ. Lewis, explain to me why this is a banger setup. Bro, this is like a banger setup. I can't even lie. NLT bucket hats would be fire. Yo, chill. I used to love bucket hats back in the day. I kind of outgrew them, but I could rock a bucket hat for the gang. I'm just tired of spending so much on outfits, bro. The other day, I was wearing like a freaking... Oh, dude, I was with Cowboy in freaking Vegas. When we were in Vegas, my fit literally was... And it sounds like I'm going to be flashy or whatever, but like I don't even like being that flashy. The fit was like, bro, low-key like 7K. But you wouldn't even be able to like recognize it. You know, it doesn't look that fancy or anything. I was like, bro, I'm tired of spending that much on freaking fits. I want to wear my own shit. That's like $40, you know? Whereas fucking suit 40 hoodie, 40 for some whatever, bro. That's, you know, be way better. Nah, nose would have clapped me. That's what I'm saying, bro. I know for a fact if I would have actually executed this, it would have went the opposite way. Damn, guys, look at this setup. Low-key banger. Boom. Lows taken out. W, trend line. Break. UJ just like GJ? Dude, don't get me started. I'll go fuck it up. Oh yeah, same thing, bro. Damn. This was even freaking... this was a little harder to tell just because look at this. This tapped into the supply perfectly, which this would have been kind of tough on your mental, thinking, oh damn, it held the supply. Should I not take the... Like GJ didn't, and I kind of liked that because then you could take the buys, and then if it did come and hold the supply, then you could look to take partials and shit. That's just one thing I was looking at. Alright, so it's buying up fat pre-news, guys. Let's see. Off that hourly demand, I'm telling you, bro. I keep doing this every single night. I wish I would have executed, but this is the first one that we didn't really like actually like act on because of the news. NLT Speedos, Tony. That's when we can ban Tony from the chat, gang. No, I'm totally kidding. I don't want y'all junk fucking rubbed up against an NLT sign. Come on now. News may dump. I think news is gonna come out. Well, I explained that it might come out bearish. You know, I think that based upon market structure right now, I kind of like this play of it coming breaking structure, retracement into the demand. Now we're gonna like a good bounce. But when it comes to the actual like data that's come out, like I said, this 2.2% is a lot less than the 3.2. So even if we do come out better at like 2.4, like I hope that we come out at like 3.2 or something crazy, and it just ends up freaking going, you know, wild. Like look at back in the day when we were expecting like 10% and shit. Now we're all the way down, so you never know. We got 2 minutes. 2 freaking minutes. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Noted. TP14. Lewis, you're a G, bro. Lewis, where are you from again? Like, what state are you in? I missed out on 4 minutes of these sessions. We're about to upload to the gangster. Bro, Shafat, dude, you already know you're welcome here whenever, brother. We appreciate you. We appreciate you. We appreciate you. So yeah, guys, once again, just real quick, before we get out of here, we got 1 minute, 59 seconds left. CPI, GBP, GBP CPI. Okay, sorry, no, I can't really talk right now. But basically, slow it down. One thing that I want to talk about is that although it's forecast to be 2.2%, that is a lot less than what came out previously. So although it may come out positive, we might get still a bearish move off of it. I want it to go bullish though, just based upon the market structure of us in the daily demand. This is the 5 minute. Got less than a minute left. How many seconds? 15 seconds, guys. Let's do this. Let's pull this up over here. We'll do this and pull this over here. Like this. And let's see what's going to happen, gang. Now we can see it both at once. Oh, news is out, gang. Let's check it. News is pending. News is pending. Everyone freak out. Everyone freak out. Everyone freak out. Go crazy. Everyone go stupid. Everyone go crazy. Everyone go crazy. Yeah, Cali. I remember you said you're from Cali. We're in Cali. Alright, guys. News came out as the forecast, and the actual came out at 2.2%. So that's not really going to have an effect, really. Last time that happened right here, if you check previously, 2 and 2%, you can see there wasn't a major effect. It really just means it's kind of stagnant. I think it's up to price action traders now. I don't think we're going to get a huge effect on news. We didn't really come out super high. Like I said, because it's 2.2%, that's a lot less than the 3.2 previously. We could get some sort of bearish move. But based upon current market structure and what I'm seeing, I would say I still want to see like buys. But I kind of hyped up all that news for nothing. Sometimes it comes out crazy though. GBP. Gold had a similar setup. Look at gold taking out these lows right here. I'll wait to see on gold. I'm not going to rush anything on gold for sure. GBP still coming up. GJ flying. Hourly. 5 minute. Crazy. These are one of those times if we were in that position and news came out, we would, you know, would be flying. It would be good, but not worth the headache. Okay, we missed a banger in that case. That's what I'm saying. We missed a banger. We go over here, guys. We go to my channel. We go to live. We go here. First off, shout out to everyone who is here. But then let's also go back to like, it was right over in here. Look at GJ. What do y'all see? GJ. I was talking about us breaking this trend line, holding, getting the impulse up. And then look at that. Oh shit. That wasn't the right one. But we were just sitting in hourly demand. So I just kind of want to point out the reaction from this area. Like you can get really good reactions waiting for these little, look, I literally explained. Lows taken out after breaking structure. Boom. Tapping into the fair value gap. And then you could see like, see if I say anything. Beautiful. Obviously I meant GJ, but Beautiful fib for, you know, golden zone. The fib was originally here. You guys see on GJ we had the impulse, fib down, take down, beautiful. And now we hear boom. And that news was nothing. But look where we are now. Now we just bada bing, bada boom. 1 to 5. We missed out on a 1 to 5. I would have closed out probably above this high right here. Right here. What would that have been? That would have been a good 1 to 4. I mean, this is a volume candle, so like right here. Get out for a nice 1 to 4.3. That'd have been up for the week. No, it's all good. I'm still trading tonight, guys. That obviously doesn't affect anything. But I hope you guys learned something at least. You know, that's the most important. Bro, what the fuck? Telegram's been kind of pissing me off. Let's go to here. Says easy. Does that make sense to everyone? Did everyone kind of understand the setup and everything? Y'all enjoy it? And everyone's been asking me, or I mean, not everyone, but I got a lot of questions last night and this morning because you guys have been seeing on my story me live trading with you guys on here, as well as me live trading with the mentorship in the morning. And everyone's been asking me what broker I've been using on there, and this is the broker right there. So you guys can sign up, and if you guys go, and this is exclusive to if you sign up under that account, but if you go and make an account with a new email under that and then message support saying I want to claim Luca.NoLimit's 200% deposit bonus, you guys will be able to get, instead of 100%, 200% deposit bonus to use. Textbook setup, bro. Right, Lewis? This would be a good one to go over tomorrow with the gang on the mentorship in the morning. Does Hanko Trade have a mobile app? No, it's not a mobile app, but it's on, like, I just use it on Safari, just right on your phone. It works well. I'll show you guys. But you can see on here, this is what the app looks like. Not the app, but the browser. You can go onto here, and you can see here currently I'm on NAS, but I can click on it. Go over to GJ, click on it. You can see here that if I would have gotten in, I would have gotten in all the way down here and just been freaking just profit. This would have been just straight profit. But over here to the side, let me refresh. You can see here, it shows, back over to GJ. Showing a different one. But yeah, like I said, you can go over to commodities if you want to do gold. Gold's easy. All or Forex. I don't know, it's just clean. I like it. You can go over to here, buy or sell, whichever you want. You can press place order, and yeah, it's pretty nice in my opinion. So if any of you guys want to use it, the link is in there to get the broker, and then if you want to take advantage of the 200%, then y'all let me know, or then sign up under there. What up, boss man? What up, Giro? Good to see you, bro. How's everyone doing? How's your guys' trading week been? Put a 1 in the chat if you had a good, profitable week. Put a 2 in the chat if it's been kind of break even, like so-so. And put a 3 in the chat if it's been kind of trash. You're like, fuck this week. You know what I'm saying? Ooh. Trying to take a picture of the chat. Tony said made $900 in 2 days taking your NASDAQ 100 signals. Love it. Garo said, I did great with you yesterday. Thanks to you, I got big headed. I thought I had the keys to the market and blew half my account this morning on my own. He said, I'm gonna only trade with you from now on, LOL. And I make my own calls yet. Yeah, guys, what I always say is that's why I send the link to the broker, because low key, like, bro, just load up an account, the 200%, because once again, the 200% don't, like, guys, if you guys were to load up $1,000 and have a $3,000 account, you could risk $1,000 on this trade, and guess what you would have made? You would have still been holding. You made $6,000. That's why that 200% deposit bonus can really help you out. So, everyone, once again, go click that link. Take advantage to make a new email under there. Message support saying I want to claim Luca.NoLimit's 200% deposit bonus. And then, bro, put even $100 in. This would have been $600, even risking just $100. Risk $1,000, $6,000. And I don't want to say don't take your own trades because I want you guys to be taking your own trades, but maybe take your trades on a demo while you're still getting familiar and only take my trades on the live account. You know what I'm saying? There's no shame in that. Obviously, I know what I'm doing, or else I wouldn't be freaking doing these lives. But here's the link also, guys, to join my signals. So you guys can come join if you guys want FX. I named them differently so you guys can kind of see, you know, it goes crazy. That's the usual thing I got scared, like clarity shares. That's so false though, because if you really didn't get payout, you could contact me and I can directly contact you with people. So I hate when people come in here trying to like use false claims, because I doubt this boy Robert even could get a payout. Probably didn't follow the consistency rule. And then it's like, oh, there's a scam. I hate people out when they misuse the word scam. So annoying. Bro, this GJ trade is still freaking playing out. Bro, I have multiple people in your bro, probably has like one person. Yeah, it's so false. Bro, I would get messages. I would be the one getting DMs, not you. What the fuck? No one's come and complained to me. The only one person who came in the Discord trying to say whatever, I put him in a group chat with Wesley, and Wesley literally figured everything out, and the boy got me like, I've never heard anyone having issues besides that one person. It got figured out right away. You seem really happy about getting that's what I'm saying. Bro's a nobody. Just wants to cause problems. Was attention. You see any re-entry on this trade? Bro, there's no re-entry on this trade. Look how far we've moved up with no retracement. Easy. Gold. GU. That's so funny. So the last thing that guy said, one of the mods deleted his whatever, but he said, check the leaderboard. The second person stopped trading. I wonder why. And then Guerrero on here said, I am the second person on the leaderboard. I asked for them to stop publishing my profits. It's so funny. I'm dead. All right, yeah, guys. So I think GJ's cooked. Can you go over some other pairs? That's really all I trade. I don't want to trade any other pairs. I think that's other people. I think, you know, I think that if you guys focus on too many pairs, you're gonna miss stuff. Oh, USD CAD. Are we bullish kinda? We've been consolidating. I wouldn't even consider this bullish. Looks still pretty bearish in the 30-minute. We need to wait for the closure. How many minutes? 15 more minutes. That news was nothing. That news was hella annoying. Thanks for that info yesterday. I looked into liquidity, but I didn't even know liquidity runs existed. Bro, guy. Yeah, so guys, yesterday on the stream, people were asking me like, oh, if you're a beginner and you went back, like, what would you kind of start researching? And I said, I was like, guys, just go look up a bunch of videos on liquidity and you will be freaking good. I go pretty in depth on it in my course I created. I mean, once again, the course is private, but I'm curious if anyone in the chat would even be curious in purchasing the course. Right now, it's included if you buy and you come into the mentorship. It's not listed anywhere, but bro, it's literally a beginner's guide. It's 29 videos right now. 29 videos from literally the start to the end on how to trade and how I trade, my strategy in depth. I'm going to purchase it. Yeah, that news was a cock blocker. That's what I'm saying. That's a good way to put it. Cock blocker. It's like you're about to smash that trade, and it gets in the way. You know what I'm saying? News is like the fat ugly friend at the bar who like takes that hot chick away from you. You know what I'm saying? Funny as hell. Just a little short right now, but I'm getting it. Let's go, Gyro. Going crazy. Y'all like that one? Y'all are laughing? Do you recommend having two accounts, one to grow and make bigger trades, and one where you can cash out weekly, or is it better to focus on one and pull out one? I think it's better for, especially when you're beginning and still learning how to grow an account, bro, just focus on one. Later on, if you want to have one like that, you can. But I'm a big believer in like having, what's it called? Probabilities play out in your favor with a given strategy. Imagine you have two accounts with a certain strategy that has a 60-70% win rate. What if you take 5 of the winning trades on one account and then you go and take like another 2 trades on the other account and they're both the losers of the probabilities, you know what I'm saying? For beginners, you recommend to say liquidity after that supply and demand zones? Yeah, or supply and demand, then liquidity, whatever you want to do. Both important. GJ just hit the gold zone on the inverse fib, also touched the forest. Oh, alright, I'll check that out. I'm gonna head to bed, gotta wake up early tomorrow, work, see you next day. Peace out, Jellos, good to see you, bro. Does Tango allow copy trade? And if it does any, yes, it does allow copy trade. You can make a copy trading account on the login. Guys, I'm still laughing about that one guy who said that clarity was not, yeah, bro, was like, oh, the second person on the leaderboard, why did you stop trading? And literally the second person on the leaderboard was literally here in the chat and said, I told them to stop copy. Dude, that was literally is just an example of someone who doesn't have information, who just wants to just cause drama. I would say people like that. No room for negativity. Guys, I'm liking this gold. See if we get a break. We haven't really gotten a nice sweep of liquidity at all. I mean, I guess over here, low-key. Now we need to see some sort of maybe pullback. But I'll take this break, you know what I'm saying? We're getting close to session. Hopefully we can get a good, look at this. 15 minute, hopefully we can get a 15-minute push. It would be nice to see a little bit of a deeper pullback or a closure or anything. Wait to see. But guys, I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna go make a quick protein shake and stuff before getting on the charts for London. We've been here for an hour and a half. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate y'all. Sorry if this is, you know, whatever, but like I said, I like locking in for a lot of the London sessions. We missed that beautiful setup on GJ, but anyone who's been on the live streams for the last couple live streams knows that we've been absolutely killing it and catching these live. This was just the first one missed because of the news. I appreciate everyone puts W's in the chat. Spam those W's. I'm gonna take a video to have people come and join back. Cause I'll be live again probably tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow, Thursday. I'll definitely be live Thursday. You know what I'm saying? So W's in the chat. Spam those W's. How do you feel? Yeah, what Guillermo said, just my goes go crazy. Cause I'm telling you, I have all the answers. I low-key do. I have okay, one thing that's gonna be really good too is I have someone taking the course who didn't know anything about trading at all. And I'm having him take the course and then give me suggestions and feedback so I can add more stuff to it before it's available to the public so that it's really in depth. So I appreciate y'all. More W's in the chat. I see y'all going crazy. More W's, more W's, more W's. Come on now. Come on now. More W's, guys. Come on. Man, another night, another banger. Thank you, GJ. Or actually, I guess we didn't really catch it. More W's, more W's. I know you guys got more than that. Another banger setup here on live stream. Shout out to everyone who came through. Thank you, GJ. GJ news came out. Same setup as like the last couple of nights of just a quick liquidation, double bottom, breakout to the upside, looking for liquidity. Just W's in the chat. Everyone here to witness it. Banger setups night after night in the live stream. Stop missing out. Come join the freaking gang night after night, killing it. I'll be live on YouTube the rest of the week, so don't miss out. See you guys there. Peace out. I appreciate y'all. Y'all going crazy. I love seeing all the W's. It's literally the one thing I ask for. The lives are free. The knowledge is free. All I ask for is some love in the chat. I'll see you guys back on stream most likely tomorrow, just because, I mean, I usually take Wednesdays off to chill, but I kind of want to keep up the momentum. We've been killing it. No L's. You know what I'm saying? So let's keep the momentum going, guys. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. I appreciate y'all for rocking with me. You should take tomorrow off, amigo. Tony, you also told me not to get in that trade last night. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just kidding. No days off. No, I'm kidding. I love you, brother. Thank you. Yeah, maybe I will take it off just to chill, but I appreciate y'all. Can I look at? Thank you so much. Appreciate you, Sally. Have it going, brother. You're the best. Thank you, Sally. Guys, make sure you guys are tuned in, tapped in. Here's my Instagram. Right here. Make sure y'all are liking and subscribing. I just posted this today. I thought it was so funny. We all been there when you have. Here's my Instagram. Y'all need anything? Make sure y'all y'all are about y'all can message me there. You can't get a hold of me on like Telegram or Discord or anything else. But I appreciate that's a torta. I'm dead. Me all night, yes sir. Thanks guys. You guys are the best. I'll see you on the next live. Peace out, gang. Ooh. We out. Light off, bro. Peace. Thank you guys for coming through.